Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about what are smart contracts on. How do they work as well, their advantage and disadvantages. So let's get started. Let's begin by defining smart contracts. Similar to regular contracts, smart contracts add a small twist to the process of securely and openly exchanging valuable assets like cash, shares, and real estate. You won't require a middleman when using smart contracts to carry out your task. The main distinction between conventional contracts and smart contracts is this. I'll give you an illustration to help. Consider it to be like a vending machine. Normally, you would have to pay the extra fee and wait for the service or paperwork from places like doctors or lawyers. Not for this one, though. With this new technology, all you'll need to do to obtain the sweets that comes out of a vending machine is insert your Bitcoin. The finest thing is that it will not only establish the rules but also uphold them. Ethereum programmers claim that the asset or currency is changed into a program. The program executes the code and determines whether this asset should be transferred to another party or returned to its owner based on the tasks. This speeds up the procedure and ensures that all parties are treated equally throughout. The system works on the if-then clause, and no one can hack into the system without alerting the other party. You can use this tech for anything such as breach contracts, credit enforcement, financial services, insurance premium, property law and many more. The system is witnessed by hundreds, and you can easily trust it to be faultless to the core. How do smart contracts work? It's really simple. Just like a vending machine, it just requires an amount of cryptocurrency. All you have to do is to put them into the contract along with the information you want to keep as a record. You also have to define the rules, terms, and condition before any contract is ready. What are the advantages of smart contracts? The smart contracts are replacing the traditional process with their advantages. Let's see some of the benefits of the smart contract. Total transparency. Smart contracts are entirely transparent to all of the concerned members. Anyone from the relevant persons will have access to see all the terms and conditions of the agreements. If anyone wants any changes, they have to decide it before the contracts are ready. Once the contract is prepared, there will be no argument on this. No miscommunication. There will be no chance for any miscommunication or misunderstanding. Every communication among the network will be 100% clear and automatic. The smart contracts examples are entirely automatic and they have all the information with every single detail to make sure that there is no communication gap. Efficient performance. The smart contract is a computer program that will complete the whole contract. Process efficiently without any fault or any interruption of a middleman. Smart contracts are contributing to nature by avoiding the paperwork and making a significant contribution to the environment and the world as well. Backup. There's a probability that bank can lose your documents or accounts. Smart contracts permanently record all your essential documents with explicit details. Whenever you need any information, you can find them easily in their storage. Trustworthy. You can trust a smart contract for never losing your records as they will encrypt them on a shared ledger. Smart contracts are entirely trustworthy as they execute all their work automatically using their network. There will be no fear of losing, manipulating or having any error with your documentation. Guaranteed outcomes. Smart contracts allow its member to create any agreements on their own. But they have to do this following some rules that will make the deals more significant. There will be no interruption of external courts. You just need to follow all the rules they bind you with. Disadvantages of smart contracts. There's nothing in the world with any difficulty or weakness. The smart contract also has some weakness. Let's see what they could be. Confidentiality. Being transparent is good, but not always. Sometimes, there are some crucial things which require privacy. Some smart contracts examples like Hyperledger provides its users with the private smart contract. But smart contracts examples like Ethereum doesn't offer that privacy to its users. Error. You know that coding encrypts smart contract technology. And it's quite a difficult task to decode them. But what if the coders make some mistakes in the code and its users will be in loopholes unintentionally? There will be a question of accuracy. Unreliable information. It's true that there will be error-free processing with the recorded data. But, at the very beginning, there's a slight possibility to store wrong information. In that case, the whole process will be an error with that false information. Rogue contracts. Smart contracts blockchain are self-executing. It's amazing and helpful. But, if a hacker hacked the system by chance, he would be able to conduct any illegal activities which will also execute itself. What have you learned from this video? Let us know your thoughts in the comment. If you think this video have added value to your knowledge, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.